Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a perfect photo while bird watching in Heartopia. So the perfect photo will add another star to what the bird is already doing. So for instance, you captured a bird cleaning its feathers or finding food. That perfect photo is going to add an extra star to your bird watching card, like the info card essentially. Um, but basically, how you can do it is you'll need to um have it so the bird is in the middle of your picture. Here, I moved it a little bit more to the middle, and as you can see, it added a star. You might want to get a little bit closer though, around 5 meters, 3 to 5 meters ish. Um, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Really, again, it's just going to add one more star to that bird info card. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!